Hey there, it's your friendly neighborhood Old Family Remedies, and today we're tackling a skin concern that affects millions: acne. Struggling with acne? You're not alone. Instead of using harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin, let's explore the power of natural remedies that actually work. We're diving deep into nature's medicine cabinet to find solutions that are gentle yet effective. From homemade face masks to acne-fighting foods, I'll share the best ways to clear your skin naturally, giving you the confidence to face the world with clear, radiant skin. Remember, achieving healthy skin is a journey, and sometimes natural remedies are the best approach. Stay until the end for the #1 best natural acne treatment that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Let's start with the foundation of any good skincare routine: cleansing. Now, when it comes to acne, being too aggressive can actually backfire. Harsh soaps can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation, which can actually worsen breakouts. Instead of reaching for those chemical-laden cleansers, let's turn to nature's gentler alternatives. Honey, for example, is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated without clogging pores. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Another powerhouse ingredient is tea tree oil. This essential oil is famous for its potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a formidable foe against acne. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Always dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil before applying it to your skin to avoid any potential irritation. And we can't forget about aloe vera. This succulent is a soothing superstar, calming redness and inflammation while also promoting healing. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. So, you've got a pesky pimple that's decided to pop up at the worst possible time? Don't panic. We've got some natural spot treatments that can help shrink those blemishes and reduce redness. First up, we have tea tree oil again. Remember how I said it has antibacterial properties? Well, that makes it a great spot treatment for pimples. Just dab a tiny amount of diluted tea tree oil directly onto the blemish using a cotton swab. But remember, a little goes a long way. Next, we have aloe vera gel, our soothing superhero. Aloe vera is known for its ability to calm inflammation and speed up healing, making it a great choice for reducing redness and calming angry pimples. Apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel directly to the blemish and let it work its magic. Now, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short. ACV can help balance your skin's pH levels and has astringent properties that can help dry out pimples. However, it's important to dilute ACV with water before applying it to your skin to avoid irritation. A good ratio is 1 part ACV to 3 parts water. You can use this diluted solution as a toner after cleansing, and for a DIY spot treatment that packs a punch, try a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, teams up with cinnamon, a natural anti-inflammatory, to fight bacteria, reduce swelling and promote healing. Just mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon and apply it directly to the blemish. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You know the saying, you are what you eat? Well, it turns out that what you eat can actually have a big impact on your skin. Certain foods can trigger inflammation and hormonal fluctuations, which can lead to breakouts. Let's start with the usual suspects: processed foods, sugar, and dairy. These often top the list of acne triggers. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and artificial ingredients that can wreak havoc on your skin. Sugar, on the other hand, causes your blood sugar levels to spike, which can lead to increased oil production and inflammation, a recipe for disaster for acne-prone skin. And while dairy products can be a good source of calcium, they can also contain hormones that can stimulate oil production and contribute to breakouts in some people. Now let's flip the script and talk about foods that can actually help fight acne from the inside out. Load up on antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach, and kale. These colorful powerhouses help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and protect your skin from damage. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds are also your skin's best friend. They help regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin healthy and glowing. And don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps your skin hydrated, and promotes overall health. Exfoliation is key for removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to breakouts. But again, we want to be gentle. Instead of harsh scrubs, opt for natural exfoliants like oatmeal or sugar. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that can help soothe and calm irritated skin. You can make a simple oatmeal mask by mixing ground oatmeal with water or yogurt to form a paste. Apply it to your face, gently massage in circular motions, and rinse off with warm water. Sugar is another great natural exfoliant. You can make a simple sugar scrub by mixing sugar with honey or olive oil. Gently massage the scrub onto your face and rinse off with warm water. Now let's talk about oil control. Excess oil can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Witch hazel is a natural astringent that can help control oil production without drying out your skin. You can find witch hazel water at most drugstores. Apply it to your face with a cotton ball after cleansing. Green tea extract is another great option for oil control. It contains antioxidants that can help calm inflammation and prevent breakouts. You can find green tea extract in skincare products or make your own by steeping green tea bags in hot water and letting it cool. Taking care of your skin goes beyond just what you put on it. Your lifestyle plays a crucial role in your skin's health. First and foremost, prioritize sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to increased oil production and inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Speaking of stress, it's a major culprit behind acne breakouts. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through meditation, exercise, spending time in nature, or listening to your favorite music. And don't forget about hygiene. Keep your pillowcases, phone screens, and makeup brushes clean to prevent the buildup of bacteria that can transfer to your skin and cause breakouts. Wash your pillowcases weekly in hot water and use a disinfectant wipe to clean your phone screen and makeup brushes regularly. Remember, acne takes time to heal, but with the right natural treatments and a holistic approach, you can achieve clearer, healthier skin. Which remedy are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Old Family Remedies for more natural health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And remember, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Be patient, be consistent with your routine, and listen to your skin. See you on the next one.